What's up everyone, Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have a Gen 2 Raptor that we have done a bunch of work on. It's time for him to do an upgrade that he's been wanting to do for a while. Now this customer does have a Mid Travel Kit, but he's looking to upgrade to our KHC Mid Travel Kit. Our KHC Mid Travel Kit comes with our upper control arm, our lower control arm, our knuckle, and our tie rods. And with KHC's Mid Travel Kit, you get a total of 15 inches of travel. But guys, I think that is enough talking. Let's start wrenching on this Gen 2 and get it handling right. Well, there you guys have it, everyone. That is the install of the KHC Mid Travel Kit for that Gen 2 Raptor. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below. Maybe if you have a Gen 2 or a Gen 1 or a Gen 3, we offer Mid Travel Kits for all of them. So give us a call, hit up the shop, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.